Have you ever imagined a car so advanced it feels alive? The 2026 AMG GLE isn't just another SUV, it's a revolution in motion. Every sound, every curve, and every flash of light has a story to tell. This is the world premiere of a machine that blends power, beauty, and intelligence like never before. From the very first glance, the AMG GLE 2026 looks otherworldly. Its body flows with sculpted lines designed for both elegance and aerodynamic mastery. The new AMG Panamericana grille commands presence, while the futuristic LED signatures cut through darkness like lasers, but stay tuned because every inch of this SUV screams innovation. The frameless mirrors, active air flaps, and dynamic lighting sequences give life to its futuristic shell. The 22-inch forged wheels glisten like liquid metal under sunlight, and its adaptive spoiler morphs with speed. Don't miss this next part because as the doors open, a new world awakens. The interior of the AMG GLE 2026 feels like stepping into a first-class spacecraft. Every surface glows softly, every button disappears into the digital interface. The MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the dash, connecting driver and machine as one. But wait, inside, the 2026 AMG GLE redefines human comfort. Hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber inlays, and customizable ambient light respond to your mood in real time. The seats adjust with biometric precision, while the sound system turns every drive into a concert hall. Coming next, we'll lift the hood, and under the hood lies the future of AMG performance. A handcrafted twin-turbo V8 paired with an intelligent hybrid system delivers jaw-dropping acceleration with zero delay. Each cylinder breathes precision, each gear shift feels alive. But don't blink, because the true power of the AMG GLE 2026 is the AMG Ride Control Plus adapts in milliseconds, making every corner effortless. With over 700 horsepower combined, the GLE rockets from 0 to 60 faster than most supercars. Yet it glides with elegance, silent when you want serenity, savage when you demand dominance. Stay tuned, because now comes the question everyone's waiting for: how much does the future cost? The 2026 AMG GLE is expected to start near the six-figure mark, but every cent buys innovation beyond imagination. Its market rivals struggle to keep up with the level of refinement and intelligence it offers. But wait, the story of AMG is one of passion, precision, and performance. From the racetrack to the streets, every generation has pushed boundaries. The GLE 2026 carries that same DNA, infused with electric intelligence and handcrafted power. It's not just an evolution, it's a rebirth of everything that made AMG. The 2026 AMG GLE is proof that the future is already here. It's powerful, intelligent, and breathtakingly beautiful. Every glance reveals a story, every drive creates emotion. The real shock is this is only the beginning of AMG's next era. If you love SUVs and futuristic design, don't miss what's see.